What person in history do you think that Joyce would want to take to dinner and why?
I'm gonna say Gandhi. I'm gonna say Gandhi because she's so cool, calm, and collected.
It would be Michelle Obama. I would love to pick her mind, and I find her very, very interesting.
I would say it would be her favorite place to eat. I just don't know where that is.
I would take her to a restaurant back home in Miami. It's like a mom and pop shop from where my parents are from, Haiti, and just introduce her to the food.
Joyce's best way to spend the weekend is probably a little bit with her husband at home, and she does her gift baskets and stuff for her side hustle.
I'm a creator, so anything to just get my creative juice going.
Could you see that she has a least favorite day of the week yet?
From an AR perspective, it's Wednesdays because we have to do CDL Power Suite updates and student payments, and it's just chaos.
It would be Mondays. Just coming out of the weekend, so you just want that extra day to just stay home and relax. Actually, a movie I watched since I was a kid
Honestly, I don't know. I'm not a big movie name person to know. Let's guess Snow White.
is actually Parents Trap. Childhood, innocent, good movies back in the days.
She might be like a occasional jazz listener. Like I could just see her putting on some jazz and just like jamming with her, her personality type.
I don't consider myself a singer. I can hold the note, but I play an instrument. I play my saxophone better than I can sing.